Hey, good afternoon. This is Bob from Trade Genius reporting for Nets News Network. It's Monday, the 11th of July. And what I want to talk about first of my specific conversations I always have with you guys before the market report is also market related, and it's also economic related. And it's not a surprise to me. You know, I've been talking a long time about the consumer going up against the wall, and when are we going to start seeing some of that? And today and this weekend, we got reports out from the fast food industry and the dining industry that actually sales have fallen year over year, 2.3% actually in June. And that's a big deal because, you know, they've been raising prices and they just can't, they just can't keep ahead anymore. So, you know, if you look at it where I live, and we actually went out to eat yesterday twice, believe it or not, when my daughter was in some transition with some events. So we went out for breakfast, and I mean, we were shocked. We live in a fairly expensive area, but you know, the price of breakfast, you know, for just two of us was over $30 at a hole-in-the-wall diner. And then we went out for a dinner for three of us, and it was $100 with a tip, and it was really just average stuff. And we don't eat out that much, and you know, and we're not exactly broke, you know, at our household, and we're like, whoa, you know, we just can't do this. And I can just imagine other people who are watching their budgets too, saying, hey, we just can't eat out like this anymore. You know, you got a perfect storm coming out of these restaurants. You got people like myself that can't afford the price increases, number one. Number two, their rents are being jacked by these commercial brokers and REITs that are really just on autopilot in terms of just jacking up rents, and they really don't care internally how somebody's doing. They just push out and try to get a chain in there. And then you have the labor costs going up. And then, you know, as you know, I continuously rant on the food prices, and La Nina is coming. I mean, you can just see it. Just check my reports out every day. I mean, it's on its way. And, you know, and sugar, coffee, and cocoa have already gone up, and you know, wheat, corn, and soybeans are next. And these fast food establishments, these fine dining establishments, the casual dining establishments are all going to get squeezed really hard. So if you have those in your portfolio, I would take a good hard look at that. But it's just another canary in the coal mine. And wait till this fall when we get the 10 to 30% increase in healthcare, and taxes go up, and property taxes go up, and you know, people are just going to stop going out to eat. So just anyway, it's another canary in the coal mine for the markets. And but speaking of the markets, you know, we knew they were going to go for the all-time highs. The dog caught the car, and we rang the bell today, and we hit all-time highs. And now, you know, what happens next is kind of anybody's guess. Just, you know, there's two schools of thought here. One is that we blow off now, and there's another school of thought that says, hey, we did it, now we roll down. Now in July, I don't think there's too many times in July where we had big sell-offs. August to September, we have. So we may see what in store for the Fed on their July meeting before people take a position. But our personal view at Trade Genius is that they're going to try to keep pushing this thing higher. And things are actually working as they should be seasonally. Oil has been pushed down, and it's down again today. You know, that we've called that, but that's normal. You know, people who follow the seasonality of energy should know that it's a weak month. You know, gold has been kind of treading water. That's normal. Miners have been up. That's normal. And volatility should be up, but it's been pushed down here. But that may change. So that's kind of what we're watching. You know, we're long biotech. We're still short volatility. We're long the miners. We're long the metals, and you know, we're just watching the market to see whether or not we should pull the plug or just keep riding it. So stay tuned. You know, watch our videos and see what we're buying and selling, and check out our trade tips and see you know, how we look at the market. And if you want to make some money, come join us. This is Bob from Trade Genius for Nets News Network. Have a great day. Bye-bye.